Here's a great idea to celebrate 100 days of school by creating a fun t-shirt with a balloon bouquet of 100 pom-poms. Here's what you'll need: a t-shirt, Aleene's Fabric Fusion dual-ended pen, Tulip 3D dot paint, waxed paper, a ruler, a stiff bristle brush, white chalk, 100 pom-poms, a bow, and a 6-inch paper circle. To prepare the shirt, pre-wash and dry it without fabric softener. Place a piece of waxed paper inside the shirt. Lay the 6-inch paper circle in the center of the shirt and trace around the edges with white chalk. Then draw 2 straight lines below the circle around 2 inches apart. Paint 100 days with Tulip 3D dot paint, holding the paint directly vertical with a tip just above the shirt. Gently squeeze the paint tube until the desired sized paint dot is achieved, being careful to keep the dots from touching each other. Below the circle, paint flew by in straight lines, being sure to leave a space in the middle for the balloon strings later. Let it dry flat for 24 hours. Now you can glue the pom-poms onto the shirt with Aleene's Fabric Fusion. Using the fine tip, apply to each pom-pom and press onto the shirt to fill the entire circle. Let the adhesive dry for 2 to 4 hours. After the shirt is dry, use a stiff bristle brush to brush away the chalk lines. Paint balloon strings with Tulip 3D dot paint and let it dry for 24 hours. Apply Aleene's Fabric Fusion to the bow with a sponge tip and press it across the balloon strings to adhere. Now you're all set to celebrate 100 days with a creative t-shirt you made with Aleene's Fabric Fusion and Tulip 3D dot paint.